waiting. So I have to give them a chance.
So many women or so many
So,
rings?
excuse me, I'm listening.
So I have to give them a chance. We've been together, 8 years.
Oh, that's too long. Just kidding.
No, but you've been longer. Remember, you told us
Years.
12.
Yeah,
Married, 12 years. But no, married, number one, I never suggest anybody to marry. We already been married once. We already have family. Marry again for what?
when you live with someone for 2 years and more, you are married.
No. That's a different thing. Yes, but still,
It's common law, it's called.
no. That still, there's a difference.
You still get half of your stuff.
No. Yeah, but what do you have? If she wants half of your bag, okay. If she wants half of your ball, yeah, okay. Only what you acquire in that period.
Yeah. Okay.
Only what you acquire.
Put it down on paper.
Yeah, I'm just saying, only that. And that they have to go through a lot of loopholes. They're not going to get it that easily. But when you're married, it's different. No, marriage is completely changes the ball game completely in any country. You understand? Because that's on paper. Then you cannot fight. You cannot say, no, she just moved in today, tomorrow, yesterday. No.
My country is Australia and Canada. My country is a lot more here.
Oh no, over here they're not.
Here,
Over here
they just let everything go by.
exactly. Over here there is no. They have laws. No,
They don't.
they don't endorse it. They
They
don't.
don't.
Yeah.
They don't.
Doesn't it? Over
Yeah,
here.
it'd be worth going there and seeing how much it's going to be. Because as long as it's all done, that's all he wants.
But yeah, okay. Well, I was gonna say, since you already started over there 3 years, no point shifting to another place except for some tests.
Test, I mean,
Yeah,
you know
except
why?
for some tests.
But
Otherwise,
carry on after the operation, he's a test.
and maybe just to get idea. If somebody's charging you 10,000, you 6. Oh, come on, 4,000 is money, real money. Because like I went to that place, I thought it was very cheap compared to what I used to go before. I had my chest X-ray in Manila Doctor's Hospital. The chest X-ray alone is like 2,000 or something. In Manila Doctor's Hospital. Yeah. I had COVID, so I had to go through all this. So even the expense over here was, I don't know, much less.
We'll check it out.
I mean, check it.
Check it out tomorrow.
I tell you, that was worth looking at.
Just was going to say, no harm in checking out something.
No, I mean, going and asking.
Exactly. Or even, they have a phone number also.
I'm the one that took him by the ears and bring it to the
You're the one that
hospital.
should, yeah?
Because otherwise, he would have
Yeah.
done it.
Oh, yeah? No, you should see. Like I said, you got to take care of yourself, man, first, before anything else.
But the problem is always, like his money, because you're talking big money here, because it's not one with this, so take me down this road.
See you later. All right,
See you, Jack.
Yeah. So in England, you probably have to wait in me, or they want...
No, because I've been here so long.
Yeah.
I'd have to go re-register with the doctor. That would take about 3-4 months. And I would be put on the waiting list.
Yeah, I know.
So it might take as much as 6 months or a year.
Okay, and you don't want to wait, or you cannot...
Well, at least here it's going to be done within a couple of weeks.
Oh, yeah? Is that serious, they say?
Oh, yeah. Well, I've been to see this surgeon. But
38 has 3,000 people waiting.
yeah.
And Jan is waiting in line. So he has to get it done. He has to get it done.
I'd be like a year, 18 months.
So this is like rush.
Yeah.
And the difference is, there, when private, it's a couple of weeks. And the trouble is, it's not one doctor, not like in our country. In our country, you've got one doctor who you see in the hospital, and then the others are just, no, not here.
Not here, right?
They're all separate doctors, and you go to see this one you're paying, that one you're paying, this one you're paying, and I'm seeing 3 at the moment.
3 doctors?
Yeah, so I got to pay 3 different amounts of money. That's what the catch is. They don't tell you that.
They don't tell you that. I know, they don't tell you that. They never tell you the cost or anything.
Because I asked the cost, how much is
They
the
what?
cost? And she said, that's it, 100 pounds. I said, that's every yes.
I hope it is because
No, but that's everything for the operation. All these other things are separate.
the medicine going to be separate.
The
You know that.
medicine's cost me money already. I paid 1, 2, 3 lots of 1,500 out to see
Yeah.
three different
We pay
doctors.
1,500 that day for the doctor. Oh yeah. Each time you go to visit them,
You know, that's 4,500 pesos per
1,500.
head. And I've only spoke to them, they haven't done nothing.
Oh really?
Then I got to go back again when they do something.
Really? Then have to
Oh,
pay
yeah.
again. Pay again.
Hey again, you know, that's the problem.
Let me wash my hand again. So what are you gonna get then?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat something. How about
Are you gonna eat one?
Yeah.
Okay, and one for me.
Yeah.
So we get something or you want slice? But then, look, the slice will be ready. What do you want? Let me go my work. If you need money. What do you want to do?
Every.
So that's the problem. All separate money.
Yeah, and you have to
You
tell
know,
you how much.
they didn't tell her that's the price altogether. That's the price for the operation and all that part.
Not
All the
included.
other parts,
Yeah.
no, she never mentioned it. I said, what about, oh, you've got to pay for him to see him. So when I seen him, he said, that's only the first consultation. So you got to go back for more and more. Yeah, yes, can I help you? Yeah, well, don't make excuses, you're late. Why are you late?
Someone stole my watch.
You're lying bugging
No,
on the
I come past. How'd you get on yesterday finding blood pressure place?
No,
No one around?
no. You have to sit there because your husband will be there.
Hey?
Her husband, where's your
He
husband?
washed his hands.
Huh?
He washed his hands inside.
He's left you already.
Yeah.
How long have you been married?
No, we're not married.
No married, they just
We're living
practice it.
8 years, more than 8 years.
They only practice it.
Yeah.
I still practice. No, I couldn't find any.
No?
But opposite my house, Mercury, I went in there to get my tablets.
Oh, yeah, the big one. I forgot that
And
place.
he said every Saturday they're here for free blood
Oh,
tests.
okay. Yeah, okay. That's,
Yeah, so,
at least they get an indication.
well, I've had him over just over the weekend because
Hi,
it's a week today.
Ollie.
So by Saturday,
How
it'll
are
be
you?
about a week
Yeah,
and a
yeah,
bit.
that's the big one with the big car park.
Yeah,
And they've also got
the drive.
equipment as well.
Yeah, they got
Yeah, I forgot about that one.
they got a fair bit of it. But he said yeah, every Saturday we're there for free blood tests. So it's better to go somewhere like that. They do it properly.
Yeah, exactly. You don't want someone.
Your husband.
I'm like, you know, I just
She's
go for
gone
like
already.
10 seconds and
She's
then
gone already.
that's what I'm saying. What's up, man?
Didn't take long.
Well, they don't mess about these Filipino girls.
You cannot tie them down, you know?
Well, you can.
You can?
They're more enjoyable that way, but
Oh, okay.
no, okay.
Look at that one, yeah? Yeah. So what's gonna get them?
So you're waiting for coffee or what?
Yeah, we ordered.
Oh, good. I know they take away.
No. We're gonna sit here because that's why she comes here. Once in a while we come here because she wants to make a video and eat here.
I was going to walk down to Red Talk to get a couple of
Do I get the slice?
something to eat, and I thought, oh,
But
that's
how-
right.
let's see how
I'll ask Johnny how he got on.
I couldn't find any. You know, and they take them out of the place.
answers. Yes,
because I don't think they were doing it properly.
that's why I
Say
said
5 minutes.
fine. I called a girl in Australia.
You want to go and buy it?
Just wrapped it
Are
around.
tasting here?
I said, you're not even doing it properly.
So you need the money. Just buy me a.
Careful. Oh, careful.
See that?
No, she knows you got a hole in that pocket.
I thought she's coming to hug me. You know, I thought it was a hug, you know, she's giving me a hug. I didn't know that
Next
for
thing you
us
know-
it's a hug, but their hands going here, you know. Money's here, baby, money's here.
Yeah, I called a girl. So the local farmers in Australia, they all do it. But they're not properly trained. And you go, hang on, you're doing it the right way.
That's a point in that.
I'll just sit here, but point it
Then
somewhere
they
else,
turn
you
around
know.
and tell me, oh, your blood pressure's up and down. I said,
Point
read
it
the
somewhere else.
fucking thing properly.
Yeah. Already, you said 5 minutes. Yeah, because I was sending her to buy some food.
Other thing too, is the doctor, I was noticing I'd get in first thing in the morning, but if I don't get in early enough, by the middle of the day, my blood pressure's gone up.
Well, I said that to this doctor. I didn't have it till like up a street in the afternoon. I said, blood pressure's gone up then because I've already had food, I've had coffee, and I was rushing about going to the hospital. My doctor said we've got to go there first thing in the morning, put that in, have a little bit of water, and that's all. Have our breakfast, don't have drink.
I found my doctor, if I go in early, like those, if I go in by 12, like, I'm not served till after lunch.
So, this is what's happening on Jack Jones's country.
What? Oh, yeah. Yeah, but you never took care of yourself, I guess. Did you used to have doctor visits, make sure you're okay? Because as we age, we need to, you know?
When I was old, yeah.
Okay.
You know, and I was fit, I was always playing sport and stuff. But as we go older, you don't do
Yeah,
these things.
something is
And
gonna
here
happen.
it's more difficult.
Yeah.
Who do you trust here? You know, the
Yeah.
leaders and storytellers?
You know, that's the problem. You don't know who to go to.
Well, exactly.
And nobody knows the answers. You know, like you said, you go and ask one doctor, they can never, make you understand or whatever it is. They're going to say, oh, sorry, it's like this.
They all talk and gobbledygook.
Yeah.
Oh, blah, blah, blah,
Yeah,
blah,
yeah.
blah, this. And you go back and read it and you say, that's bullshit.
That's the thing.
I've had problems with my brain. One doctor tried to say, oh, you've got neurological function disorder.
Okay.
And I'm saying, that means nothing. You're telling me I've got
Yeah.
a disorder in the functioning of my brain. That's all you've said. He goes,
Okay.
okay.
But David, you had that since you were about 9.
No, I had it since I was 4.
Oh, yeah?
He's always had that. He's always
Oh.
been not right in the head. It's just got worse now.
Yeah, they give you this alphabet bloody soup explanations of what's wrong. That's not even telling you what's anything you have.
Well, it's like me. When I went there, the first thing I said, right, doctor, told her, yeah, she said, yes, it's got to be done. Right, I said, can I have the full price of what it's
Yeah.
going to be?
Yeah.
Yes, she said, 100K.
You know, I'll be very doubtful, I'm telling you.
But it's not.
Yeah, it's not. I'll be very
Because I've
doubtful.
seen 3 doctors have already given 1,500
Each.
That's 4.5.
Every time, yep.
That thing I got on endoscopy is going to be about 4K. The other one I got off my heart, that's 4K. So there's 8K
Right
for
there.
there. And I got to pay them people 1,500 That's 8, 9, 10, that's 11k again. So it's going to be about, when it finishes, it's going to probably be about 115k.
Yeah.
That's what's good. But they don't tell you.
They won't tell you that.
No,
Yeah.
this is what annoys you.
They
They
don't.
won't tell you the truth. Anything to do with money, Filipinos, they never tell you.
Well, they can't now anyway.
You know. But she knew that I'd have to have these things and pay extra. You know, she's in the hospital, she knows.
She should know. You
Well,
would
yes, she
assume.
does know, but she should say.
Say that.
Ah,
Then, okay, every
that's-
visit is going to be this much
No,
or
see,
whatever.
I wonder if they get a percentage.
Well, then,
Commission.
I don't know.
well,
if
no,
they
but
do.
what it is, she's a surgeon and a doctor, right?
Yeah.
So she sends me to her mate, who's another doctor.
Oh, yeah.
So he has 1,500. So he has one and he sends it to her. That's the way they work it.
Referral. They're charging you for the
Yeah.
referral and they're getting whatever.
And then, if you go to another one, which I got to go, I pay again. But like I said to you, this week I could have paid out another 4K.
Yeah.
Because he wanted me to go to those two people. I said, what am I going there for? Oh, only to talk. I said, what do I want to talk to them for?
Yeah.
Oh, they want to explain this and explain that.
Yeah.
I said, yes, but what's the point in that? Because it's going to be about 2 to 3 weeks before I be ready for that. That's only just for the operation, your endoscopy and your
Yeah.
heart thing. You do that a couple of days for the operation to make sure you're still okay. If I have it done a month before, they might go and say, we better check that again.
Oh, no, you got another 2 weeks.
Yeah.
You got to pay again.
He might, you know, he said to me 2 weeks and I'll come back and I'll check the blood and if it's okay, he said, you're okay. But if it's not, he said, you'll have to have another week. So
Yeah.
there's 3 weeks there.
They do that in Australia too, but for me it's all free. I can go online and check what they charge the government. You go, what the fuck? It's double what it's normally should be, but because it's the government paying for it, they
This is
do
the
that.
trouble.
You go,
Everybody rips everybody off in Africa. And
that's except somehow Australia's like there's no corruption. Bullshit.
Yeah.
Bullshit.
Yeah.
bit of corruption there.
Oh, look at that. Corruption. Oh, you missed it. It's okay. You blink, it's gone.
No, I can't move too quick.
That's it. You blink, it's gone. That's it. But there's plenty more coming. Don't worry. There's always more.
Well,
Always.
Oh, there she's again.
Yeah.
No, she's.
Always.
It's the same girl. No, it's a different girl.
Yep.
Jack.
You missed Jack, you just gone for your cup.
Yeah, just
You'd
there.
be upset with me, Stu.
Is he going home to bed?
He has now, yes. And he'd be pleased with himself in the afternoon.
Probably does. And the morning. Has he got? He's got that. Is that hair pink or is it red? Something's gone wrong with the colour.
He's trying to follow Lady Gaga. No, he's all right.
Yeah.
He's all right. He just got weird ways on something.
He's not Canadian. He's French.
Oh yeah? He says he's Canadian.
He's a French Canadian.
French Canadian.
Oh yeah?
He's the real French. Never been to France, but he's the real
Oh
French.
really?
No,
No,
they-
big to France.
No, but they are funny.
Oh, they
You know,
are.
Huh?
it's like saying you just Sikh, isn't it?
Yeah, Sikh Indian.
They're
Sikh,
Sikh Indian. And there's other Indians that's not very nice. They're very
Oh, yeah.
aggressive.
Everybody is different.
Yeah, but he's still an Indian. And an Indian.
Yeah.
So if you talk to like me and say, oh, but you're both Indian.
Let's say if you were born in England and you were fifth generation English, would you still call yourself an Indian?
Yeah.
Yes.
But
You are great.
what language would you speak?
You know, the thing is, good point. My kids, first generation American. They speak English. Especially my son. He's 25 now. He doesn't understand Indian language. No. My daughter, she's about 33 now. She can, yeah, but they speak English. Even when we talk to each other, it's English.
So here's a hard one for you.
Yeah.
Fiji. The British took a lot of Indians to Fiji years ago to work in the sugar plantations.
Same thing in Africa.
Now
they did
there's more Fijian Indians in Fiji than Fijians. What do they call themselves?
You know what? I would say they call themselves Fijians.
They call themselves Fijian-born Indians.
Yeah, I would say
FBI.
no. Oh, you do that because I would say they are Fijians. Yeah, but maybe if somebody wants to know the ethnicity,
all right.
Like people ask me, where you from, sir? Because they think only white men belong to America or England, right?
Exactly.
So they all want to know that. They say, sir, and I'm like, I'm American. No, sir. Where are you from? I'm like, I'm from America. I'm American.
Well, how bad?
What they want to know is your ethnicity.
How bad is it in America towards the south that belong to Mexico?
I know.
400 years ago,
Texas.
They invaded. They took over an area. Now they've got Mexicans, Latinos, in an area that are like 10 generation Latino that are native to there. Oh, what are you doing in our country? It's our bloody country. My people owned this area way before you. You invaded us. Now you're asking me what part of it? Where am I from? I'm from here.
Yeah.
But in Wales, like years ago, after the war, or during the war, Italians came there and they opened they called bracky shops. They were like little cafes with made food, coffee, ice cream, all like that. And my mate, Tony Maladi, now his wife is Welsh. His mother and father were Italian. His mother lived there for nearly 50 years. And that's all she could say was good morning.
Oh, really?
She would, and if Tony spoke to her in English, she would mental. He had to speak to her in Italian.
Really?
And his wife, which is Welsh, she had to learn Italian to talk to the mother-in-law. Honest. And she was just sitting in the shop like this, all dressed in black.
You actually get a
And they were really, really funny. And I would go in and I'd say, good morning, Mr. Maladi, good morning. But if I said anything else, I would hear
Yeah. Wow, really?
Yeah.
20 years ago, you'd get a lot of that in Melbourne. Melbourne's very much an Italian Greek city.
Yeah.
You could go to little parts of Melbourne and you'd find all these stores owned by Italians or Greeks.
This, I don't know, maybe you want to tell them. You want to tell them to heat it up again? Or get out of it? Just leave it here, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. I like the coffee hot, so I'm going to tell them to, just pop it in.
I always ask you for typing on my do. I have it super hot, that's what I ask them. You can't catch all the stuff.
I always
cold.
Because some place, a restaurant, you go, you order, let's say, the coffee comes first, the sandwich follows 10 minutes later, and I'm like, what am I supposed to do now?
And the soup comes last.
Soup comes last. I'm like, what am I supposed to do?
You get a full course and the ice cream comes first.
Yeah. I've seen that too. You're right. Yeah, the dessert is going to come first. I've seen that too. So I always tell them, whenever I order, I always say, I want the coffee with my sandwich.
All 4 courses come out the same temperature.
You're right. Yeah, you're right. I always tell them.
So, but that's, and also,
Yeah.
Italians are like it.
Yeah.
A lot, like Muslims, you got to speak the language, even the children.
Yeah. In the house, yes.
They at church and do it. Even if you don't like it or don't want to do it.
I know.
Because otherwise the family will give them an idea.
Yep. It's very strict.
Even in our country.
Here's the story I was going to tell you about Fiji. The identification. So, Fijian-born Indians, they started migrating to Australia.
Oh, really?
4 generations ago.
Okay.
So, Fijian-born Indians moving to Australia, their get their grandchildren. So they interview the grandchildren of the Australians and they say, how do you identify this? Do you identify as Indian? Do you identify as Fijian? Or now that you're fourth generation Australian, do you identify as Australian? Or identify as Fijian?
Fijian, I would say Fijian.
Your cultural ethnic background is Indian. You can't speak any other language other than English. You've never been out of Australia. You identify as not Fijian, not England, not Australia, but Fijian.
They're both the same thing, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, you want sugar? I thought they said they have sugar in
I've
already.
been up to
We
North
can ask.
England. I was in my mate lived in Sunderland, right?
Okay.
We went up there, and there was loads of Indians there. But they were speaking like the Sunderland. They couldn't speak a word of it Indian. It was all English.
Yeah.
They were born it. And they were like, they looked Indian. They looked Indian. But
you
they
know-
just spoke like a British
Even
person.
over here, there's Indians over here, they speak Tagalog.
Yeah.
Very good Tagalog. I'm like, shit, I'm here 8 years and I cannot speak.
No.
I'm here 8 years and I don't, you know, yeah.
No, a lot of them, they call them the Mumbai.
Mumbai, yeah, I know.
Yeah,
Right?
I think.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they speak
but
Tagalog.
they
I'm
can
like,
speak
really?
good Tagalog.
Very
Yeah,
good.
they do.
Very good.
Yes.
They look, but they got a little
I'm
bit
surprised when I look
just
at
to
them.
earn money.
Yeah.
They're very sweet already.
Yeah. But a lot of them are Sikhs. Because you see
Six,
them on a
six.
motorbike
With the
turban.
third one, yeah. Most of them are Sikhs, yeah. But yeah, what
They are
a,
nice. Because they came over Britain first. When I was in England in the 50s, and they were going on the door selling stuff.
okay.
The Sikhs, right?
Oh yeah?
A lot-
In
yes.
where? In England?
Yes.
Okay.
And they were,
you-
like cleaning stuff for the house in the sun.
Oh, okay.
And they would go around doing that. And those guys, right, they started to open their own business. Next day,
Yeah.
their little van running around.
Yeah.
See, this is the way they thought. Where
The
English people wouldn't do that. They said,
wouldn't do
"I'm not
that.
doing that."
I know
But
that.
that was their idea.
That's how it was, yeah.
Because there was a guy living not far from us, Sikh family, because the kids used to go to school. And he started off doing that, and the next thing he got a van and he was doing this, and he had a shop, he done well.
Yeah.
But in the 50s, 60s, he could do that in the UK. You know,
Now it's very hard. Everything is getting tough. Very tough, everything now.
Doing that for the last 20 years in Melbourne. It's very much agree with each other. It's very much Indian.
but they're all about this
We can show them this one.
integration. We've had Indian races in the 50s, we've had Hindus, we've had all sorts there, and there've been no trouble at all.
Yeah.
You know, cause
Indians
trouble.
don't cause trouble because they only migrate to other countries to improve their life.
Oh,
we're having tuna sandwich, guys.
but they know the type of people they are. They all in the Middle East.
It's bomb makeup.
They've always been warlike and causing this one family will fight with that family and this and
Here's
that.
the fun thing.
And
We're
they
just a short plane invasion of the largest Muslim country in the world.
Which one?
I'm having my caramel
Which
macchiato.
one about Australia?
Indonesia. Only down the road.
Oh, no, that's from the Australia, you mean. From here. Oh, yeah.
It's only like a short
Yeah.
country, China.
Yeah.
It's all the Arabs. Well, not
The
big
Middle East,
know,
they
right?
don't want to integrate. You have got to follow what they say.
Of course.
You know,
And
it's crazy.
that is crazy. That's what I'm saying. They go to other countries, they migrate to other countries, and they don't want to follow those countries' rules. They say, no, you got to follow our rules. Yeah. But you know, France, Germany, they're all getting tough now against
They've all
them.
had enough of it.
Yeah. I don't know when England is going to wake up. I don't know when the British people are going to wake up.
Beginning,
Yeah.
they put up with it for a bit or let them, and now they've started to go too far. So they got to take
Yeah.
it back.
You heard there was a stabbing in England. What?
Oh, it's been
Crazy, man.
last fortnight,
Yeah.
riots there, stabbings, terrible.
Yeah.
But it's okay, we got Keir Starmer and how lucky is that? when you talk about bloody, what's his name? I see, man.
But did they put already sugar or what?
Yeah, I told you. I asked him, he says already.
Yeah,
In Australia, we had a we had a prime minister that could speak in tongues. Like there was a church.
This is,
Yeah, but one of those speaking in tongues.
Tuna
one of
sandwich.
those like the Pentecostal ones. Yes, exactly. You know, because they all in the church. My father, my mate's father was a Pentecostal. He worked with a Pentecostal. So he was a preacher,
We
right?
like the tuna
And I
sandwich
went
here,
as a
guys.
kid, yeah. And he'd be, hallelujah, hallelujah. He'd rolling around on the floor, talking nonsense, all that stuff. Oh, yeah, his God is coming true. But they don't cause trouble. They stick to their own. The best one you have is the one that's $8 boats back. He just said, look, we've got another on this ship. They're all going back. And all, everybody was against him, but he stuck to it. And it worked. War. Then he realized he was right. Yeah. 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 Yeah, but what we done wrong, Australia did, as soon as those boats are coming across the channel, or the Navy there, say, well, okay, turn around, turn back to the French workers off the coast and say, goodbye, leave the city.
This is when
That's what we want to do. They wanted to have a state hospital. But the problem was, well, we didn't want that, so we left. And then they didn't want us to leave because they were obviously supporting us. Yeah. Get the independence. Oh, impossible. We really went and Cameron, that asshole, he went and did, don't, he gave us the vote, and as soon as he lost, he ran away. But he was telling everybody, you don't leave the year was brilliant, and he was going on, he was sending letters to the girls, costing thousands of pounds. To send all these letters and all that. So he's lucky, but now, then he got back in, right? He got back in soon after that. He tried to start it all again. But by this point, he wants to get back to you. They all want to be in you. I don't know what the idea is. It's because all the Europeans don't bother with us when we're not talking to them.
It's sweet,
They
no?
take it so
yeah.
what do you do them for?
It's tempting.
Even the bread is not fresh anymore because it's breaking into pieces.
Yeah.
And they are the only ones who know.
what they are now. France used to have it.
They are. They go. And Jews are
They're old. We haven't gone into the oil now.
It is here or what?
I think it is a Russian. to stop it
Ding.
because it's choking them off.
This is for you.
No, it was only a couple of minutes.
Using a lot of oil that Germany will buy off pretty cheap. So the only ones that can really suffer is Germany. So fuel prices went up, everything else went up, cost of making a car went up, no one can afford it. I started this morning. What the Germans good for, apart from starting wars.
That's enough.
They do good pizza.
Yeah?
Oh, you never had from them?
No, you've been there shopping, huh?
Eh?
You went there shopping?
Where?
Yes.
I said, yeah. I got a membership.
Did it?
No, this one is upstairs.
No,
Fourth
you can
floor.
go shopping in the
Yep.
They do nice food there.
Yeah. I mean, we go once in a while, like maybe twice a year.
Yeah, but it is a lot of things are expensive.
It is
But
expensive.
they do have.
It is expensive. You have a choice, that's what. For international food if you want, but yes, you've got to pay for it.
But my mate went there the other day, and like he said, they have microwaves on offer. They have offers of
Yeah, yeah.
different things.
Yeah.
That's the thing. But the food
Rice cooker, TV.
is nice, but it's expensive.
That's the thing. The grocery section, the one that items that come from America or whatever, is expensive when you compare with, from my country when you compare on that. But since I live here and if I want it, I have no choice. I pay for it. Because Filipino food is not the same.
No.
Not, I
Say,
think
Filipino food,
you're right. You're right.
oxymoron.
You're right. You're right. You're right. True.
I've got to say, there's one or two dishes that are nice.
Yeah.
One or two.
I'll say the same.
Yeah.
A couple maybe that's it.
You know, it is cooked properly. That's the thing. They don't cook food properly.
They put a lot of salt, vinegar, soya sauce.
Yeah,
Which is all bad for people like us.
It is Asian,
It's not good for us.
but it's faster.
Yeah. Yeah. When we cook
Not healthy for us.
right, we put the ingredients in it. Filipinos cook the food and then they slap all the soy sauce and all this on the top after.
Yeah.
And the problem with that, it's not in the food, it's only on the top layer. The rest of the food underneath is bland,
Bland.
very bland.
Yeah.
Where when we cook food, like
Yeah.
you
I
have
know
an
what you're
Indian curry, an Indian food, it's cooked right the way through. That's the difference.
He knows. So when she cooks, we marinate the chicken.
Yes.
So then all the flavor goes inside the chicken.
They never use the marinade.
They don't do that.
Yeah, we don't. We cook right away.
You marinate, leave it overnight because I taught her how to do it. That's when you taste the chicken. You eat chicken biryani over here, you open the chicken, it's like no taste inside.
No, it's
No
just
taste
bland,
inside.
yeah,
Bland.
exactly.
That's what I'm saying.
I have found
But it's okay because they got all sauce,
Arab restaurant,
soy
yeah.
sauce.
Yeah, we cook a lot with soy sauce.
Yeah, all everything is soy sauce.
Yeah, some Arab
Adobo.
is okay. Like Saudis, they know how to
Yeah,
cook.
it's okay.
Yeah.
Like
Filipino,
I like the chicken afritada, that's okay. You know, some of those they like stews. You know, with chicken. But the problem is it's got to be cooked right. Sometimes you go eat the vegetables and they're not cooked. You know what I mean? Filipinos try not to cook stuff well.
it's not trained. Trained for their own stuff. So a lot of them think, oh, I can get a job as a chef overseas. How long actually? As soon as they give you a test, cook me something, they go,
Well, like even rice. Some of you can't cook rice. It's either like cinnamon or blobby and stuff like that, or it's water. You got to have it, yeah, they eat it, but they got to have it. They're fluffy. It's fluffy. Like the Chinese are good with rice. Indians are pretty good with rice. Doing a basmati rice and that's very good. Because it's their food. But here, rice is your food, but it's not.
Yeah.
you know, it's crazy because most of the places you go, if you go to an expensive place, the rice is nice. Is out. But if you go to a cheap place, you go to Jolly Bees and it's like a bit of cement.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, yeah, it's crazy, but that's the way it is. So you've got to go somewhere tidy for this. I will cook it yourself. Yeah.
You don't really care for food, man. It's just going to pay, charge you a premium.
Well, that's the thing, we charge you. I mean, if you put a Burger King or McDonald's, you know what to expect.
What expect?
That's what you have it. And it's cheap and cheerful and you can manage. But, and most of it's people like the same. The best, I think, Burger King is better than McDonald's. The fries are nicer. You know, the food is a little bit more attractive than McDonald's. But I have to say, some of the things in Jolly Green is good taste. You have the hot dog. And you don't get anything in there, but if you hot dog in Jolly Green, right? And it's really nice. They put mustard in it.
I just find
Where? In Jollibee?
I find the chicken better.
Yeah, and the chicken is soft, very, enjoy crazy. It's supposed to be the cheapest and the worst, but it's the worst. For certain things, the ice cream is nice. But you wouldn't think Jolly Bee without it. I mean, they say that's nice, but it is. Because if ever I go and I don't have hot dog, they say, if you go to Jolly Bee and have an hot dog, you have mustard and sauce, they put cheese on
You
top.
didn't
I
try
want
Jollibee
cheese.
hot dog?
I just put that and fries and I thought, what is this? Yeah, chewing that.
It's not cheese, that's what I tell her. They're not cheese in this country, they don't know what cheese is. If you find it very expensive.
Oh, it's about 300.
They say cheese, but it's not cheese, yeah.
They got no dairy. So they don't That's what we do.
Have you ever seen the cows? No, they don't have milk, everything comes from abroad. Milk comes from Australia, New Zealand,
No, it
Thailand.
doesn't.
Eh?
Milk comes from the supermarket. The
What's
supermarket.
wrong with that?
They ask kids in school.
I know, where the milk
Where
comes
does
from?
milk come from? The supermarket.
In
like,
carton.
where buys it in
carton.
Yeah. No, it comes from a cow. No, it doesn't come from cows. It comes from the supermarket.
How would
It's crazy, isn't
we
it?
should get rid of all cows because they fart methane.
Yeah.
You go, what?
Oh, yeah?
What school are you going to?
Yeah. Yeah, listen.
Methane, they're saying it's destroying the ozone. We've got to get rid of cows.
The cow, oh, yeah?
What the hell?
So you have to have bull's milk, yeah?
Milk.
Bull's milk.
If you can get it, right? If you can, yeah.
It's a different consistency.
Yeah.
Requesting permission for 124 LBOs. Once again, requesting permission for Terminal 24 LBOs.
Well, it's the same thing, you know, like women's breasts, they just won't get rid of the milk because they never breastfeed baby. They use powdered milk. So, you know what I mean? Yeah. But a lot of them, a lot of girls have a baby, they don't want to breastfeed.
Yeah?
Yeah, because it puts them off. It makes their breast go all saggy and
Yeah.
yeah, it does, doesn't it? Yeah, they tell it they
3
don't.
months at least, but after that,
A lot of them. My wife, when she had a baby, 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, get rid of it because, you know, it looked like an orange. That's what it does. Yeah, but you can understand women like that. If they're young, they don't want to look like that. They want to look, look good. But it's the same thing.
But mostly in the province, they do breastfeed.
Because they couldn't afford to buy formula.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You know how expensive the milk is over here? The formula, yeah. Crazy price. I wonder how they even afford it, you know?
There's nothing wrong with me, and I was breastfed. My mother had big breasts and kept me full all the time. But years ago, that is how it was done, even in our countries. The women would breastfeed. And, you know, there was a woman in our street, and she had a kid of 4, and she was still breastfeeding. Honest, the kid wouldn't, he wouldn't have anything. Yes. But it's chemicals.
It's a marketing. It's
Yes, it's chemicals.
Yeah, the marketing. That's
It's
right.
big pharma. Like big pharma. You take this, it's good for you. But anything, anything in it now is not really good for you. None of it. But no, they'll tell you, oh, it's good, like have a piece of pizza. It's really bad because it's not made of good stuff, and it's, most of it is chemical in it. Anything in it is chemical. And like they make sausages, and they want sausage anywhere.
Well, you look at, you don't have to go back in history to see when cigarette manufacturers actually paid doctors to say there's nothing wrong.
No, they're good for you. Cigarettes are good for you. That was in the 50s. When I was a kid, there used to be signs. Cigarettes are good for you. Smoking's good for you. Yeah, they used to be.
Yeah? Yeah?
There's going to be what they lied about now. Oh, get the vaccine. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why Jamie never had it.
You should have been dead by now.
I know, I am dead.
Everybody that didn't get the vaccine should
Yeah.
be dying.
Yep, yep.
You should be dead.
But I,
Tracks.
all the way through the pandemic, I was going out drinking out with everything. And most of the people were sick, they were coughing and bad, and they were staying in their houses, and they all had the vaccine. I didn't have it.
You never got a vaccine?
I never even had one.
Oh,
Really?
No, not one. They told me, oh, you can go and have a vaccine.
you did.
And then look what's happening in Pfizer.
Did you wear a mask?
Yes, I used to
A
put,
little paper mask that stopped the sniffy
Yeah, what
virus.
about that plastic sheet?
The place had a shield in front of it. You go,
Yeah.
it flies around.
no, you want these shoes you wear.
That's crazy.
Plastic sheet. A spit shield.
What would
right?
that do?
Spit shield.
Yeah.
So if anybody spit them when they talk, it goes on the shield.
Can you imagine if a bug couldn't get past it? Flew up and got in there.
Yeah.
It's just ludicrous thing.
So like those masks, a doctor will tell you, they use them when they go for operation. Operation says an that
Those
was in the
are,
bill.
but those are different kind of masks. These masks are from China.
Oh.
They're nothing.
No.
They don't do anything.
Here's the funny thing. So you know about spray paint.
Yeah.
What do they wear as a spray paint?
Yes. Oxygen. With oxygen.
Yeah.
Right. It's dangerous, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. Cyanide.
This is a deadly virus. They're going to give us your paper mask.
Stops everything. And then they told you then, you have to cover your eyes, you have to have glasses because they can come in through your eyes.
Yeah.
The job I have trousers on and my fly in
Then
my
we tell you
eyes.
it's airborne. Airborne flies. You can get 7 meters, they reckon.
They should.
Come on. That wouldn't be here living longer. As long as the government did it too. Come on.
It's like cold and flu. You are like flu. If you've got a cold and a flu and you're coughing, yeah, you can spit the spray so far over people, the mask will stop. But not for 2 days, it only stop it for half an hour, you're going to change it.
Scientifically speaking, nothing defies gravity.
Oh,
You think, come on, you guys are going to spill, didn't you?
crazy. But that's the way things were, and now they got to backtrack now and say they were lying and things were wrong. Look at Pfizer. They made that stuff and it was British.
Yeah.
And what about the stuff China sent you all
I know.
free?
Yeah,
It was
yeah,
just
yeah.
big water. It was just
I know what.
Yeah, you'd have been better off taking the China one
Yes.
than the American one.
Yeah, because the China one had nothing in it, only placebo. Only like
With the
water.
glucose or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, they all are. All the sugar in it.
I had to take the shot because I had COVID, but after that, but then I was traveling.
Yeah.
I was going to the US and you need to be, otherwise they're going to quarantine you and give you the shot over there. So, but I didn't take the Sinovac, the Chinese, I think I'll wait till Pfizer comes here. So we did take the Pfizer and the Moderna, but it was free. They were giving us free, so I was like, okay. Yeah, Moderna was better, they say. Just slightly, but
I
yeah.
was here, you were here, we were here at the same time.
Okay.
They shut down.
Okay.
It took me a year to get out of here. The only place I could go was dual citizen, New Zealand.
Oh, New Zealand, Australia.
Got into New Zealand.
Oh, you could at that time?
Yeah.
Really?
It took me a year, not that long to open up.
Yeah.
So I got into New Zealand. They guaranteed if you got a flight, they let you.
Yeah.
But you got quarantine. All right, I got through. Then they said, oh, vaccines coming in. So you've got to
You got to.
vaccinate.
Yep.
So I got vaccinated.
I don't fly, I don't go anywhere. Stay home, in prison.
I wanted to get out.
Now they say, yeah, that's what the logic was.
Oh, don't come out.
That was the logic.
And they say, oh, it's your choice if you want to stay home and don't eat.
I know in England, some places, the jobs, the bosses, they would say, if you're not vaccinated, you don't have a job
They
anymore.
did that in New Zealand.
Yeah, you cannot work. Yeah, you understand? Because I know a few people, they were strictly against, listen, we don't want to work anymore, that's okay, we'll stay home, whatever.
Me wanting to get out of that shithole and go to Australia, I had to take the vaccine.
That's something I had to think.
I was in a group of 10,000 that received a taint.
So we're here or there?
New Zealand.
Oh, you got it, the shots over there, use it.
Pfizer. And this is Pfizer now was in that batch.
Yeah? No, painted just a few batches or
Just 10,000 in that batch.
oh, okay.
Yeah, but can you believe that?
You know the thing is yes.
You know,
No, you cannot believe these guys, you know.
they all liars.
Exactly. It's all about money. All these American lobbyists and you know, it's all money.
There was an IT guy in New Zealand found it that they think there was 10,000 in the vaccine entry. The government covered up. Too late when they had got out.
But can you imagine? The government lied to you in the beginning. It was only like a heavy cold. I never even had a cold all through COVID. And I was with people that had COVID.
Oh, you ready?
Really. And I never even had a
Never catch a
cold or a
cold.
cough.
Yeah.
I think if you were healthy and you haven't got no underlying problems, you was okay.
Yeah.
But if you had a bad heart, you had bad
A
chest,
long, yeah.
or you had diabetes or something, the trouble was it attacked your immune system.
No, that's what happened to me. Because I am diabetic. Otherwise, I am very clean, very careful.
Yeah.
But she used to sleep with me and everything. Same bag, she never got it.
No, exactly.
Yeah.
Same
That's why I'm
small
saying-
condo, I live in a condo, same small space. She's with me, sleeping next to me.
So it's
Never
bullshit.
got a thing.
It's
Not
all
even a cold.
bullshit.
Let us say, not even a cold. Me being diabetic, yes, I understand. You know?
Because if you got any doctor will tell you, if you got something wrong, your immune system is under attack all the time.
Yep.
So if something big comes along, it can't fight the two at once. It's already fighting diabetes. So it can't fight COVID and diabetes. So it will overcome it. Yeah. Hard arts. Yeah.
Yeah, then definitely.
Oh, yes.
That's the most
And then that's the people who would die.
Yeah.
That had something wrong with them.
a lot of old folks saying,
They would have died anyway.
that was
if everything was okay. But they had one
So
foot in the
let's
grave.
bring out a vaccine and make them die earlier.
That was the idea of it, I think, to try and clear a lot of people out the way. There's only two ways you can do it. Either through a pandemic or war. These are the only two ways you clear thousands of people out.
One has already started and the one's about to start.
Yeah. One we've had and the other one's on its way.
Yeah.
One isn't finished yet. One's still going.
Yeah.
They're still making people take boosters.
Yeah, I got some wounds too.
Somewhere saying, oh, no, again. It's not a vaccine. You have to continue taking it.
You were taking boosters, not about. When I was a kid, we had polio. You had a polio injection, right? We never had no boosters, and they tested that for years before they brought it out. And we never had no problem.
I know. This thing, overnight, they came out with this thing.
Yeah.
Overnight.
And then in boosters. That's why I said it's all right.
Really overpriced because there's a reason it's called COVID-2. COVID-1 existed about 2 hours.
It is?
Just lost over. It didn't affect anybody, they all ignored it. When it came about, Trump started saying, it's nothing like
Yeah.
that.
Yes, it was.
You remember that? It's okay. Started putting behind you again and saying, no, we're going to do this, we're going to do that.
Oh well, girls and boys and the ones that's not sure.
Yeah, I
I gotta go back.
away from all that longer.
Yeah, because it's wrong, huh? I'm gonna get some onions and some garlic.
Yeah. What, will you do some cooking?
Oh, I will get raw.
Onions and garlic.
Always. Every day.
Like a salad you make.
But yeah, I can make something with it. A bit of cayenne pepper on top of it.
With garlic. I mean, onions I can see. With garlic?
Garlic and oh, best thing.
Raw?
Yeah.
Okay.
Only raw. They no good when they cook.
Yeah. In garlic.
B1 offers a good solid garlic as a fat soluble. So you can actually store it in the water. Whereas water soluble, you can just about
Yeah, you're going to go.
you can't take it off.
The garlic will come out.
Imagine the Italians like garlic.
We've always had good raw.
Italian. Even the Greeks, I guess.
Italians,
I guess. Yeah, we Indians also eat a lot of garlic, but cooked.
Yeah, I know, but
Yeah, we eat cooked.
yeah, but it's no good then.
Yeah, it's not as good as
It doesn't, it's nearly all gone.
yeah, you're killing all the stuff.
even if you just stir fry it a little bit, still make it crunchy.
Okay.
Just garlic and onion.
Garlic.
Yeah, just garlic and onion, a little black pepper,
I
whatever.
usually, I have a roll usually for me, the 1 week dip, and I can make it with a bit of cheese, chop up a little bit of cheese, garlic, onion. I always put a bit of cayenne pepper on it. Cayenne pepper is very good too, but it does these with burn. But I'm used to curries, so it don't bother me. If you overdo it, you're just going to put a bit, and everything is
Chilies. He got into trouble, so we had to just. He goes, oh, I just. But he got used the facility.
Yeah.
That'll teach him more than
Teaching.
anything.
But there we are, that's life.
That's it.
See you again.
Alright, man. Good luck to you, man.
Yeah, what? See you good. Take care.
See you. Hope to see you here again in a few weeks after your surgery. You know, hopefully everything
I'll be flying around faster than you.
Have they given you a
Well,
date?
okay then.
About 2 to 3 weeks.
I still are.
Just roughly.
I go home next week, so
And
I
next
don't
week.
know how long.
You got yours also from surgery? What?
No.
Take care.
Sorry.
Take care, man.
We'll do venture into
What is the plan? What is the plan? What is plan? Huh? Next year, I missed all this bit of exercise. Showing them the check, showing them your medical case all the time, doesn't it work? Yeah, I'm 8 years old. Can you get to the... No, we switch. Oh. What happened there? What is it? What is all this here? I'm like, what is this?
Like that. So we just finished our breakfast. We had 2 tuna sandwich and 2
Slices of pizza. But one each.
yes, and one
So one tuna, one slice.
cappuccino.
One tuna, one
Ano?
slice.
Caramel macchiato.
It's too sweet. I don't want next time.
No, the probably put the ano ito.
No, but for me, get me the other thing. I can't remember what I had last time.
I think I think that's not caramel. They probably put cappuccino.
I don't know,
That
it's
is cappuccino. They put.
I don't know, whatever it was, it's too sweet for me. You know? That's why I drink Splenda.
Kasi I get you the Americano, my love.
Don't kill me. You still need me.
Oh, with you.